Welcome to Review Lab. The best ink for HP OfficeJet 5255 is probably one of the most crucial components for ensuring your printer performs optimally, delivering crisp, vibrant documents and photos consistently. Choosing the right ink cartridge can significantly impact print quality, longevity, and even the overall cost of ownership for your HP OfficeJet 5255, making it a decision that shouldn't be taken lightly. Number 5. HP 63 Tri-Color Ink Cartridge. Experience vibrant and consistent color printing with this essential ink cartridge. It's designed to deliver reliable results for all your everyday printing needs. This cartridge is engineered to work seamlessly with a range of HP DeskJet, Envy, and OfficeJet printers. Enjoy hassle-free installation and operation. Achieve sharp text and vivid images every time you print. It's perfect for home, office, and small business documents, ensuring professional quality output. Make an environmentally conscious choice with this ink cartridge. HP has upcycled ocean-bound plastic into its cartridges, contributing to a healthier planet. Save on ink with Instant Ink eligibility. This program offers a convenient and cost-effective way to keep your printer supplied with ink. Get approximately 150 pages of quality printing from this tri-color cartridge. It provides excellent value and performance for your printing tasks. What we like. This is the genuine HP cartridge, ensuring the best compatibility and print quality for your OfficeJet 5255. If you prioritize consistent, reliable results and want to avoid potential printer issues, this is the choice for you. It's perfect for users who need dependable performance for everyday printing tasks. What people say. This ink is a direct replacement for the HP 63 ink cartridges. The ink is compatible with the HP OfficeJet 5255 printer. The print quality is good, producing sharp and clear text and images. Number 4. LxTek Remanufactured 63XL Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. Introducing the LxTek Remanufactured 63XL Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. Get vibrant black and color prints without breaking the bank. This pack offers exceptional value for all your printing needs. Designed for seamless integration, these cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP printers. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance every time you print. Equipped with a smart chip, these cartridges ensure full compatibility with your HP printer. You can trust them to work flawlessly, providing accurate ink level monitoring and consistent results. Print more for less. The black cartridge yields up to 480 pages, while the color cartridge offers up to 330 pages. This means fewer replacements and more printing power. Choosing these remanufactured cartridges is a smart decision for both your wallet and your productivity. Save on printing costs and reduce overall purchasing expenses with this cost-effective solution. Experience consistent and high-quality prints with every use. These cartridges are remanufactured to meet strict quality standards, ensuring reliable performance for your important documents and photos. What we like. Looking for more ink for less. This remanufactured combo pack offers XL cartridges, meaning more pages per cartridge and fewer replacements. If you're a budget-conscious user or a small business with moderate printing needs, this option provides excellent value and convenience. What people say. The ink is a perfect fit for my HP OfficeJet 5255 printer. Prints are crisp and clear, with vibrant colors. Easy to install and recognized by the printer immediately. Number 3. Ankink 63XL Black Ink Cartridges, 2-pack. Experience crisp text and vibrant colors with our remanufactured ink cartridges. They are formulated with specialized ink to deliver consistent, clog-free output. Get more prints with our high-density ink storage technology. Each black cartridge delivers up to 675 pages, offering 1.5x the output of previous XL models. These cartridges are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of HP Envy, DeskJet, and OfficeJet printers. Enjoy reliable performance across many models. Our upgraded chip ensures precise printer recognition and real-time ink level tracking. This promotes stable performance and a smooth printing experience. Rest assured with cartridges certified by CE, REACH, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 14067. They undergo rigorous testing for a smooth and efficient printing experience. Each package contains two X63XL black remanufactured ink cartridges and a user guide. Everything you need for hassle-free printing. What we like. If you print a lot of black and white documents, this pack is designed for you. With two high-yield black cartridges, you'll get significantly more prints before needing to replace them. It's ideal for students, home offices, or anyone who relies heavily on black text printing. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and provide vibrant, true-to-life colors. Print quality is excellent, with sharp text and clear images, even on plain paper. The ink lasts a surprisingly long time, offering good value for the amount of printing done. Number 2. Ankink 63XL Ink Cartridges for HP 63XL. Introducing a reliable replacement for your HP 63XL ink cartridges. This pack ensures your printer keeps running smoothly. Equipped with upgraded chips, these cartridges guarantee seamless compatibility. Say goodbye to recognition issues and enjoy uninterrupted printing. Designed to work with a wide range of HP printers, including Envy, DeskJet, and OfficeJet series. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your model. Get more value with an impressive page yield. The black cartridges offer approximately 675 pages each, while the color cartridge provides around 450 pages. This convenient combo pack includes two black and one Tri-Color Ink Cartridge. It's everything you need for vibrant and consistent printing results. Achieve professional quality prints without breaking the bank. These cartridges offer a cost-effective solution for all your printing needs. What we like. Need a comprehensive ink solution? This 3-pack offers a great balance of black and color ink, with high-yield cartridges to keep you printing longer. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one replacement that offers excellent page yield and reliable performance, this is a smart pick. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and the printer recognizes them immediately. The print quality is excellent, with sharp text and vibrant colors. It's perfect for both documents and photos. This ink provides a good yield, meaning you get a decent number of pages before needing to replace the cartridges. Number 1. Ankink 63XL Ink Cartridges Replacement for HP 63XL, Color 2-Pack. Experience exceptional printing output with our high-density ink cartridges. They offer significantly more pages compared to standard options, ensuring you get more value. These cartridges are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of HP DeskJet, Envy, and OfficeJet printers. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance across compatible models. Our advanced chip ensures precise recognition by your printer and provides real-time ink level monitoring. This guarantees a smooth and error-free printing experience every time. Featuring high-density precision nozzles, these cartridges deliver accurate ink control and rapid jetting. This design prevents clogging, ensuring smooth, efficient printing without streaks or smudges. Each package includes two Tri-Color remanufactured ink cartridges and a user guide. Get ready to print more with this convenient and comprehensive set. Verified through rigorous testing, these cartridges provide accurate and consistent performance. You can rely on them for all your printing needs, delivering quality output consistently. What we like. For those who print a lot of vibrant photos or colorful graphics, this dual-color pack is a great option. It provides a high page yield for color printing and features advanced nozzle technology for smooth, streak-free output. If you're a creative user or a home office that frequently prints in color, consider this for your needs. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and provide vibrant, true-to-life colors. Print quality is excellent, with sharp text and clear images. The ink dries quickly, preventing smudges. This ink is specifically designed for the HP OfficeJet 5255, ensuring perfect compatibility and optimal performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.